Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make cutting files for your silhouette, and you can use the same technique for other cutting machines. Basically, I'm taking photos and then turning that into a file that I could use for the silhouette and then get that cut, and then I'll be attaching those to my paper flowers. But you can do this for different designs for lettering, calligraphy, cake toppers, so many other designs that could work as a cutting file.
Okay, let's get started. I'm on Photoshop and I took a picture of a rose leaf against a white background. You could also scan this through a scanner. I'm making a black square and make sure it's a rasterized layer. Hide the black square so you can see the leaves again. Then take the magic wand tool to highlight one of the leaves. Bring the black square back so you could see the shape against the square. Copy and paste the leaf against the black square. Then you have individual black leaves. You have to mirror the leaves so you have a pair of leaves mirrored together, specifically for the rose leaves that I'm making for my paper rose. Hide the background so you have a transparent background color. Save your file under PNG. Go ahead and open your file in the Silhouette program. You could copy and paste as many as you need. I also like to adjust sizes on some of them so they are slightly different. I'll be using the heavy cardstock option to cut. Here are the leaves from the silhouette. I'm taking the mirrored pair and hot gluing with the wired stem in between. We're also selling templates on our website. The link is provided below. Thank you for watching.